Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I'm going to make some brown stew chicken wings. So here I have my chicken wings that I've already washed and cleaned. I have all the seasoning that I will be using over there. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these chicken wings in a bigger container so that the seasoning process can be easier. You want to make sure to use your browning in moderation, because if you use too much browning, your meat will become too dark and it can also taste. So this is my chicken wings, and I am going to leave this to marinate for some time. Then I will be back with the cooking process. So I'm about to continue the cooking process. My chicken wings has been marinating for some time now. So I'm going to add some cooking oil to my pot. And after the oil is heated, I'm going to add my chicken wings. And I'm doing this so that my chicken can get some nice color. So you want to make sure to turn your chicken wings on the other side so that they can get some color as well. So at this point, I'm removing the chicken wings that already have the desired color, and I will leave the others to get the color that I'm looking for. So I'm going to add all the chicken wings back to the pot along with the other cut seasoning that I added earlier when I was seasoning my chicken wings. So now I'm going to add some water in order to make that stew, the gravy base that the chicken going to continue to cook in. So I am going to leave all the ingredients that I use in the description box below. So make sure to check my description box and go ahead and check out my merch that's in my description box. So there you have my brown stew chicken wings. You can choose to leave a comment, like my video, subscribe, and cook with love always.